Here I am gonna clean. Look at all the mess. I'm gonna organize it, and I swear, tomorrow, not even tomorrow, later, it's gonna look a mess. I swear. People, and good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is like gonna be a busy day, cleaning day. Already start. Cece helping me clean. Why you putting stuff in your mouth? Cece was putting away the stuff and back in the fridge. My little helper. There she go. There she go. Let's try to turn the camera right. Okay. Doing good. Let me go turn on the TV. Just in case. You didn't have to come, Cece. You didn't have to come. Trying to do a little spring cleaning. Got my little helper. Right, Cece? So guys, if you're not subscribed to us yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You're doing good, Cece. Oh my. Good job. High five. High five, Cece. Yay! Bye. You running me away. Yeah. Put this one in. Put this one in. We don't think we're doing it right, but let's try to put, see, all my little cooking sauce on one side. Okay. Alright. And this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Almost dropped on you too. Uh-oh. Oh, and I hope it don't fall and broke toes. Alright, we still got this and this, all the syrup. I hope these still good. Good job. Alright, there we go. Hold on, Cece. I'm gonna put it in. I don't think it's gonna fit. Alright, that's good. That kind of good. Yeah. Alright, we got these stuff also. Hold on. We're not finished. We're not finished. Why do you want to close it? We're trying. Cece, please. Cece. Yeah, you have to leave the fridge. Yeah, there. Yeah, there. Cece, come. Look at my helper. Not a helper at a. Stabilize it here. Oh my goodness. Cece, please. I wonder if people that clean their fridge remove everything. I hope I know to put them back in. But there we go. I always struggle when I take them out. I don't know to put it back. Cece, please. You're not a helper. You are a troublemaker. She eating. She did close. She did everywhere. Ooh, Gigi. What you having here? Let me see. What's that? Please. Bye. Shush. 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 No. Okay? No. Alright? Please. Thank you. Okay? Oh, God. No! Oh, Cece, you get your winner? stop throwing it in there. Alright, let me make it clean and clean. Here. Clean in there. No, wipe out in there now. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Very good. Yeah. Alright, let me get it. Rinse it out. Let me rinse it out. Let me rinse it out. Here now. Here. Wipe out in there. Doing good. Clean it out. You got it? You gotta use the cloth. Sorry. Why don't you take this out? They're gonna start this.
I will teach you to clean fridge. In Japanese, who teach you to clean fridge?
Oh, no, come on then. Please. Enough. No. Hold on, let me get this. So these are the thing I put in the fridge. Is like a odor blocker. This one, damn it, I don't even know which one is the old one because okay, I think this one look old. That's the new one, so I gotta throw away this one. My little helper. And it's coming on good. Here we go. The fridge is looking amazing. I'm so proud of me. The floor is looking a mess. My mom broke this tile. So I'm seriously gonna try to get a carpet because this carpet is not for kitchen. It's more like for a room. Kitchen, water spill and all of that. So I gotta try to get some kitchen type of carpet. It's like many hours later after done cleaning the fridge, doing other stuff. I'm here going to BJ's, go do some grocery shopping. I got Jamar with me. Cece is at home sleeping with my mom. Jamar, you gonna say, you can't even see him. That's to show you're not supposed to be in the front. Jamar, where's the seatbelt? You're supposed to put on your seatbelt. What? You don't know. I want my seatbelt either. You know you're supposed to have on your seatbelt when you come in the car.
But you told me to look at papers.
Yeah, I did, but you're supposed to always put on your seatbelt first. That's the first thing about coming in the car. Safety. Okay? Alright, let's see at the store. So the first thing about going to the store is having a list. Have all your coupons. Don't try to wander all over the store and get things that you don't want. Then now you overspend. So that's what I'm doing today. What's on my list? That's what I'm getting. Maybe I get something. No, I'm serious. I'm not getting nothing different. I'm sticking to the list. Sticking to the damn list. Whew. decided to get the Ariel soap. I used to always do this soap in Jamaica. They just come back with it. So I did pick up the gain. I put it down. This is what we got in the cart. We're really sticking to the list. Oh, I need bleach. So this is what the cart looked like 36 minutes later. And I didn't came for this, but I got it. And I see that I forgot about this, and I got these 2 extra. But everything else is what I came for. Oh, the damn grape. We didn't came for that. But everything else I did have on my list. You did it. So we're at our second stop for the afternoon, which is festival. I don't know why Jamar all up above my temperature. Stop what we got, sticking to the list. Still sticking to other stuff. It wasn't recording. So we're here at Dutch Spot getting Jamar's favorite food. So I'm here in Walmart and I'm looking for a kitchen mat. Damn, these mats so small for this damn store. But okay, let me show you what they got. These are the mat. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get. They're not that expensive. They're pretty cheap. Okay. So 3.5 hours later, we're here. About to eat our food. Tired. I didn't get to go to all the stores that I want. Only one store that left I didn't go. Say hi, Cece. Look at her mouth. You're eating yogurt. Look at your face, Cece. Look at it. Jamar got oxtail. I got fish and rice. Oh, so hungry. So I gotta show you the kitchen in a little bit because I just wiped it out, so I'm letting it dry to place the mat there. Why your face look like that? What? Jamar, why your feet there? Are you over there, Fida? So this is how the kitchen is. Oh god, it's a mess, but whatever. But that's the carpet. It's not bad. We got a lot of cracks. I cracked this. There's the other crack. That's what it looked like, a damn bug stain. But yeah, I mean, guess it looked like a kitchen. I just need to get some new towels for there. I guess I'm good to go. Yes, Shamar? So guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and we're gonna see you guys. I'm not sure if it's tomorrow, but we see you when we see you. We see you in our next video. Have a blessed day. Stay safe and keep quarantine. Bye, guys.